In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your Facebook theme from dark mode to light mode. As you can see, I'm currently using dark mode and I'd like to go ahead and change this to light mode. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. To change it to light mode, it is easy. Just go over to this icon and then tap on it, and then go ahead and tap on settings. From here, scroll down until you get to preferences section, which is this, and here you can see we have dark mode option. So if you go ahead and tap on it, you can see dark mode is currently enabled. To switch to light mode, go ahead and turn off dark mode, and immediately, as you can see, we have switched to light mode. Now if I go to my menu or to my Facebook account, you can see everything has switched to light mode. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.